welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, the congratulation messages are pouring in for Nokhanyiso Chonco after she shared the good news. Chonco shared that she has got a new deal with the Edgar. She announced that her t-shirt line will be available at the store starting from next month. She tweeted, "God has done it again. This project is a reminder to remain resting in Christ, because if He is for me, who can be against my destiny?" Chonco launched her t-shirt line last year. She shared that her new business venture was inspired by the love she received from her fans. She added, "I've learned that my presence either on social media or on screen has created a community that's made up of amatemu, being authentic and embracing self. I want to thank all of you for your kind words and love you have expressed to me in all forms. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my new t-shirt line," she said. And guys, yeah, congratulations to her. Indeed, the sky is the limit. Guys, indeed, Nokhanyiso is a lady of her own language, where dad lalela saze sasha, all those kinds of amatemo, guys, and I really love how she embraces her culture and language. That's all I have for today. If you love her, let's show some love on the comment section. Bye.